This is parliamentary taken from Sir Kailash Chandra's shorthand transcription F35, transcription number 415. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Now, sir, we are entitled in considering a report of this character to inquire whether and if so to what extent the objectives which the Bhore Committee had in recommending the establishment of this institute and which the Parliament had in implementing that recommendation by passing a special act for the constitution of this institute have been kept in view. If you read this report, you will hardly get an idea of the purpose for which this institution was intended. A disappointing feature of the progress so far made is that it has functioned more or less as an institution for the training of undergraduate students. It is precisely this thing that the Bhore Committee did not want it to be for. It did not want to be another medical college. But what I note is that the institute has not been able to start postgraduate institution in most subjects. The reason given is that of lack of accommodation and hospital facilities. Another distressing features of the report is that postgraduate teaching has to be combined with undergraduate teaching. I think we attach importance to the separation of undergraduate teaching from postgraduate teaching. It was intended that there should be special laboratories for postgraduate students. Unfortunately, the report says that postgraduate teaching laboratories had to be shared with undergraduate teaching laboratories. Now it was not necessary for us to have another medical college. With the amount of rupees 11 crores, we could have established a number of other medical colleges. We could have established even postgraduate courses in those colleges. We have the MSc degrees and postgraduate diploma in the postgraduate departments of our universities which have medical facilities. This was to be a particular type of institution, and I think it is a legitimate criticism to offer that the purpose which was sought to be achieved by the establishment of this institution is being lost sight of, is not being kept in view. Then it is disappointing to note that for the postgraduate teaching there are no students from states other than the Delhi state in the institution. It has been practically a Delhi college, but it was intended that there would be students and there would be teachers of medicine who would be coming to this institution from all parts of the country. Stop.